Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Slack. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Slack app, and you can update your app if you will find update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and